So the drums help me with usage of my right arm, my right hand, use of the sticks, and it made my brain tell my arm to do something that it's not used to, and then to be able to play the drums and help this right arm to get stronger, and also singing as well, which I basically said when I joined here that I would never sing again because I used to be a singer, and I said that I'd probably never sing again, but not only the drums, I'm obviously singing songs as well.
So when Richard first came to music therapy, he was very low in mood and lacking in confidence. He made a few tentative beats on the drum, and that's where we started. And gradually, through regular weekly sessions, his confidence, his courage has really blossomed, which is now allowing him to sing, to improvise, and to really believe in himself and what he's doing in music, which is also translating to other areas of his life as well.
Music therapy has brought a lot and helped myself in my self-esteem and to make me a stronger person.
It's been an enormous privilege to support him and be alongside him in his journey.